Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a SteelSeries APEX 5 keyboard and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this keyboard not responding, or it's not like listening to your settings, it's not applying your settings and stuff like that, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. The second reason you might want to do this is just for whatever variety of reasons where you want to delete all of the previous settings off of it and basically be able to set this up like it's a brand new keyboard. You're just taking it out of the box. It's really easy to do. With it on, we're going to come over here and we're just going to press and hold this button right here. And if we press and hold it for several seconds, we'll see it will open a menu. The first option will be illumination on here. This will go from SteelSeries to this illumination. It will be a menu. From there, we can use our toggle wheel. We're just going to toggle down to the settings menu, press on the wheel to select it. Then we're going to toggle down to factory reset, press on the wheel to select it, and then we'll just have to do one more toggle to yes to confirm. Press the wheel to select it, and that will reset this keyboard to factory default settings, at which point we can set it up like a new keyboard.